Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you how to download and install the AWS Plus app to Android TV without the Play Store. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So you've been searching for ways to install the AWS Plus TV application. Here's exactly what to do. On your Android TV, we are going to be using this application called Downloader. I love Downloader because it's a browser and it works perfectly on any Android TV. You can use it to download apps, you can use it to install apps. Also, you can use it as a browser. Here's it. If you have Downloader, in the description of this video, I've attached a link there that's going to help you to install Downloader to your Android TV. So after getting Downloader to your Android TV, just go ahead and launch it. And here's how it's going to look like. Now, I want to show you the fastest way to install the AWS TV app to Android TV. So here's it. Just come over here to the search box and type in this short code bit.ly/AWS TV version 3. Once you type in all of that, just go ahead and click go. And this is going to do is just going to go straight away to our website that installs the application straight away to Android TV. And here is it. Just watch. So once you're here, just go over to this box here and click this option. So once you're here, here's the application. So they say Google Drive can scan this file for viruses. So you can just go ahead and click on download anyway, and the application is going to start downloading straight away to your Android TV. And this is how to download it, the fastest way to download the application to Android TV. Once you're done downloading it here, and you just have to go and install it. So just click on download, and the application is going to be downloaded from the Google Drive to your Android TV, and then you can install once it's done downloading. And this is how to download and install the AWS TV app to Android TV. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this. So it's downloading right now. So just wait for it to download, and once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and install.